Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. You want to say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye? You want to say hi? Uh-oh, she's found the lashes. She's like, what are them things you got on your face? Y'all, let's be real a minute. I've had a day. Everything I tried did not work for me. My makeup looks a mess. I tried to put these false lashes on from Glam Light. I kind of think that the little liner, the magnetic liner that holds them on, was dried up or something. It just was not staying on. They're still not very good on. Let me tell you, I put a ton of stuff on there trying to get them to stay on. Not my day. I can hear my neighbors out in the yard and I want to go play with them. Yes, they have a little baby boy. I want to go over there so bad, but I gotta work. Yeah, it's one of those days where I decided I was finally gonna light that really expensive candle that I got in a box because I needed some chill, and I've got boxes surrounding me, just surrounding me. I've got 3 clothing hauls right there. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup and 1 add-on, so 5. I've got a gigantic boxy that I'm not sure if that's add-ons or what that is. I've got a aromatherapy box. I've got 2 jewelry boxes, and this is what I want to do. Yep, that's all I want to do. And I want to go hang out with neighbors. I'm going to sit here and eat snacks. I went to Walmart yesterday. Got me some snacks. Also found this adorable little container. Look how cute this is. Choose your weapon. It says it's food safe on the bottom. It's for holding your makeup brushes. I don't know. It's $4.98. Alright. I'm gonna have another one of these and I'm gonna get real and actually start filming. Y'all, this has been a take time for myself, and hopefully you took some time for yourself moment. Remember, even during the holidays, you are important. You need to vent to people. You need to do something that's going to make you feel better. Light a candle, eat a snack, even if you don't need it. Don't think about that part. Take some time for yourself. We stay so very busy worrying about what we're going to get presents wise, worrying about wrapping the presents, worrying about where we're going to be on what day to get to what holiday celebration, what we're going to wear, what we're going to match it with, shoes, hair, makeup, jewelry. Take some time. Take some deep breaths. Calm down. Turn on your favorite YouTube channel. Just don't stress out too much. Don't be like me. Just enjoy life. Don't let it pass you by. Enjoy the moment. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.